Hey guys, it's Kevin with WaterMonster here. Thank you for purchasing your manifold kit, and today I'm going to help you set it up. So let's get started. Your kit comes complete with 2 manifolds and 8 ultra spouts. I'm going to give you just a quick preview of how this gets assembled, and then we're going to break it down step by step. But basically you have the 2 pipe legs that plug into the sawhorse end, and then all of your ultra spouts will screw into each of the dispenser outlets. The front and the rear manifold will connect together, and then we have a piece here that connects directly to the WaterMonster tank, or if you have multiple manifolds like we do, they will daisy chain and connect into each other. Let's break it down one at a time here. Step 1, take the 1-inch male cam lock fitting and screw it into your WaterMonster tank. This is where the first manifold is going to get connected directly to supply water. Step 2, each of your ultra spout manifolds has a male and female cam lock connected. You're going to push the lever forward on the female, and the male piece will come out, and you're going to screw that in directly to each of the dispenser outlets. So do that for all 8 outlets. Okay, now we're going to install the legs. First leg in the T, second one T. Just give it a little tap. And that's it. Quick note here, you do not need to glue these legs in. You want them removable. When we start running water through the manifold, water will go into the legs, and it's going to add weight and stability. Let's go to the next step. Okay, now we're going to install the front of the manifold to the rear of the manifold. Simply connect the 2 together, dry fit, install to the WaterMonster tank, and then you want to look down the barrel of the manifold, and what we want is the outlets to be parallel with the ground. So this one's a little off, so I'm going to twist it and get them level. Next, what you're going to do is take a magic marker and draw a straight line to the front of the manifold, to the coupler, straight line, and then take some common, just PVC pipe glue, remove it, glue this, put some glue into the coupler, put them together, and get these lines to match up. And now you've got a solid 6 feet piece of manifold. Plug it back in. Now we're going to connect the manifold directly to the WaterMonster tank. With the female cam lock fitting, make sure that both of the levers are up, position it in, and then pull them back to lock in place. Now you're set. Now we're going to connect the second manifold. Go ahead and install it to the end of the first one. Pull the clips back. Now you're locked in place. Just so you know, you can connect up to 7 manifolds on a single WaterMonster tank. Now go ahead and open up the ball valve and flush the manifold line out. Let the water run just for a few seconds and let the legs fill up, and then go ahead and turn it back off. Okay, it's time to connect all of the ultra spouts. So go ahead and connect it directly to the cam lock, pull it back and lock in place, and repeat that on all of the outlets. Okay, now that your ultra spouts are all plugged in, let's cap the end of the manifold, and that'll keep the water from running out and allow the system to pressurize. Okay, now we're ready to open the ball valve up and get the water flowing. The first thing you have to do is go ahead and purge every one of them. You've got to go ahead and hit the button for each one of them, get the air out, and continue this with all of the 8 ultra spouts until they're all flowing evenly. Okay guys, the final thing here we haven't talked about yet is you may not want to use all the ultra spouts. We provided 4 of these caps that you can selectively remove some of the ultra spouts if you want to. So the first thing you do is turn off the water here. You can pull out the ultra spout, install the cap, and now you've got 6 foot social distancing here if you need to do that. You can turn the water back on, nothing here, pull the valve, water's flowing. Okay guys, that's a wrap. You're all set up, ready to offer touch-free hydration to your audience. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to call me directly. Thank you.